Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you, and my name is BK Nepal. And in this session, let me share my experience with you regarding the themes and like the themes. Okay, now what themes? I have hosted a website recently, so I'll share you the links on my videos below, so you can click there and view the links. So let me share my experience with you, like what kind of themes you have to use if you are thinking to make a blogging site or the any site that you are going to do. So let me share my experience with you. Now I'll suggest you, there is one theme site, there is one website, that is a theme forest. So let's get into that theme forest. Theme forest. Now theme forest is the one of the website where you can get any designs of themes, like blogging site. If you have a blogging site, or if you are thinking to make any information site, you can go there and you can search themes there. But let me talk about the themes now. Actually, what is theme, you might be wondering, and you might know about the themes. It is a collection of libraries or the designs. So in themes we can install multiple plugins, but I suggest you not to install a multiple plugins and not to attach it, because when you use a themes, like themes are of like it is in range. If you want the better themes, then it will cost high. Then if you want the lower theme, it will cost low. So what I suggest, you never use free themes, because free themes will have a number of proxy sites, and there will be a virus or attacks, or so it is not good for the websites, and it will slow your website in Google page. So it is not good for the SEO analysis or the ranking. So never use a free theme. So if you want to use a theme, go for at least cheap theme. Even I have experienced my own experience. I have even used a free themes, but I will never suggest you a free themes, because even I have an own experience. So it is good for the SEO and the ranking side if you are thinking, or if you want to build a good website in future. It's up to you, like what is the range that the theme that you want to buy, and you can go to theme forest and choose there. And the other thing is that, so there will be like you may face like some problem in the payment issue, like payment. If you don't have credit card, if you have a debit card, then there will be an issue of payment. Like even I have faced, so I manage it from my friends. I just use their credit card, I made a payment, and within the payment will be instantly, it will be posted to your account, and you can download your themes and you can install it. So guys, in this video I have just given a brief introduction about the themes, how a theme should be and what the themes you should use. So never use a free themes, as I already told you in the video. So never use a free theme. So in this video I just share my experience of it, like it is just an introduction to you. In the next video I will even teach you how to install themes or plugins, so that it will be, your website will be in the SEO ranking site. You will all know about in the next video. In this video, let us wind up and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.